Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix yellow or orange screen issue on your Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to change or fix your yellow orange screen issue, so let's see how can you do that. If you are using A17 and your screen has closed just like that, now you want to fix that, you must have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for display option. Tap on it and here you will get eye comfort shield. Just tap on it and you must have to disable that settings. Once you have disabled, your screen will be changed to regular back. Or here's the second setting which might be in your phone. You must have to select screen mode, and here you must have to select natural instead of vivid. If you are selected vivid, so it might be that the vivid mode has changed your screen color. So you must have to select natural, and once you have that, your screen will be fixed. So that's how you can easily fix yellow or orange screen issue in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.